So if you want to achieve this at the end of this video, this is the right video for you. So as you can see, I have occlusion shape 2D, sprite 2D, and the character body 2D. I also mapped my left click, and inside our player script, I go here, I create a new const, it will be speed, I will equal to 200, then I create a new variable for click position, that is a vector 2, and then inside the function physics process, I do if input is action just pressed, left click, click position equals get global mouse position, and if position dot distance to click position is greater than 3, then velocity equals position dot direction to click position times speed move and slide, and if we test it, this should work. Yeah, as you can see, it's working. Wherever I click, the character is going. Thank you. If you want to see how I made a game in a month, check this video.